Slide 2. Key findings of the IICA study. Having examined the methodology, this slide presents the key findings emerging from the IICA study. The results provided valuable insights into the current state of sustainability disclosures among India's leading listed companies and significantly influenced the committee's recommendations for the BRSR framework. One of the most encouraging findings was that the majority of companies were able to provide responses across most disclosure requirements. This indicated that sustainability reporting was operationally feasible and well within the capabilities of large listed organizations. However, while completeness of reporting was generally satisfactory, significant concerns emerged regarding accuracy and clarity. Many disclosures lacked sufficient detail, measurable data, and contextual explanation. Companies often responded to questions in a generic manner without providing evidence-based information that would enable meaningful evaluation. A major observation was the absence of quantitative disclosures, which limited comparability across companies and sectors. Stakeholders require measurable indicators to assess performance trends, benchmark organizations, and evaluate sustainability outcomes. The study also identified substantial variation in disclosure quality across different principles. Some principles received comprehensive attention, while others were inadequately addressed. Several noteworthy findings included recycling mechanisms. More than 90% of companies disclosed the existence of recycling mechanisms. However, very few provided information regarding the actual extent or effectiveness of recycling activities. Child labor and sexual harassment. Over 95% of companies reported on complaints relating to child labor and workplace harassment, reflecting strong awareness of compliance requirements. Sustainable sourcing. Only approximately 50% of companies disclosed information regarding sustainable sourcing practices, indicating a significant gap in supply chain accountability. The weakest disclosures were consistently related to supply chains and contract labor practices. These findings underscored the need for stronger reporting requirements extending beyond direct operations. The study ultimately demonstrated that while companies were willing and able to disclose information, greater precision, consistency, and transparency were necessary to transform reporting into a meaningful accountability mechanism.